What's up, it's Can I Score?
Yeah, so what do you guys got today?
A Boba kit. Insta Boba.
It's a new thing we saw in the freezer section.
Here's what's in it. Here's the box.
Yeah, look at that. You got some boba. You got some. It's like boba and the tea is concentrated in here. You got boba straws. And it says here the only thing you need to do is go ahead, cut your boba and concentrated tea in a cup. Microwave that for 60 seconds to 2 minutes. Just add some ice and milk and add in your boba straw. Are you ready to try it?
I'm excited.
Can we get a woo woo?
Yeah.
Woo woo. Fuller say woo woo. Woo. Halona, how about a woo woo? Soraya, how about a woo woo? There's the nutrition facts. No sugars. It doesn't have much sugar. It just has 14 grams. This came from Taiwan, and there's your ingredients. I just thought of a song for this because we like boba so much. It goes, boba makes me happy, and boba makes me smile. Boba, 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 eat it every time. Okay, we have some cups. Let's cut these open. Now we're going to microwave this, and Halona tasted some from the pack because she wanted to see how it tastes. And does it taste good frozen? It's too strong, right? Because it has to be. It's very strong because it's a little constant. It's very concentrated amount of tea in there.
Good.
This way, when you add the milk, you have that nice milk tea flavor. Okay.
Okay, I'll hit you.
30 seconds was not enough. It was the boba wasn't chewy, and it was mushy because I put it in for 1 more minute, and now it's bubbling. So I'm pretty sure this is perfect and cooked all the way through. So I'm putting the next one in for 1.5 minutes. Okay, this is all done. Now we add the ice and the milk. Okay, we have ice. Now here's the satisfying part. Let's add the milk. Something weird just happened. My cup got a big crack. So now I have to hurry up and dump this in another cup. Laura wants her on because that's the way she is, okay? Is it good?
Try?
Yeah, is it good? Halona?
I didn't taste it.
It's good. It's good? And for Laura, is it good?
I'm gonna hand it.
This is.
It's good.
Boba shop good?
Psych. Okay, now I'll take a sip.
Does it taste just as good as being at the Boba shop, guys?
It needs so. It's bland.
It's bland.
Very bland. I'm just drinking milk.
Do you know what? I'll add more black tea. This is the one that actually, for some reason, I put them all in for 1 minute and 30 seconds, but for some reason, this had to be the one where some of the tea bubbled up and out of the cup, so that's probably more milky. Try the other one. Let your brother try some. Okay, try this one.
Still tastes like milk.
Well, that's just the way it is then. Okay, so for Vincent,
Wait, I can never try the boba though.
Vincent thinks it's the bland. It's too milky and plain. It doesn't have a good strong tea taste. But it could be a good starter. Like you buy this and then at home you just brew some extra black tea if you want it stronger.
Okay,
The bobas are chewy or not good for you?
I didn't taste the boba
So hard.
yet.
The boba's hard. Have a Soraya. Soraya didn't get to try the boba. Soraya, go try the boba for her baby sister. Soraya, let her try one. She wants to try boba. Be careful.
This is really good.
It's nice and soft.
Mm-hmm.
You felt like it was too hard. So good. Thumbs up if you like it. Yeah.
Can I show you something?
It's chewy and at the same exact time.
She says it's hard in the middle. They are supposed to be slightly firm in the middle. Yeah, but is it nice and chewy on the outside?
Yes.
So do you think it's a perfect boba?
See?
Or you want it totally
Look at all
soft?
that. I can't even squish it.
It looks like you're squishing it right in front of the camera. Pretend that that's like a bloody
Get off
burger.
me, sir.
Here, have it. Have it. Take that. He says that his boba has a little hard spot.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
You too.
Bye. Thanks for watching.